What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. So this is going to be a small little snippet before I show you the video. I wanted to talk about why I haven't been uploading lately. The last video I uploaded was 5 days ago, and the reason for that is just because I actually lost access to my YouTube channel at one point. My old email was messing up. So what I did was I just transferred my YouTube channel over to another email, which worked out perfectly fine. I actually had to remake the gaming channel, so I will put the link to the gaming channel in the description below. You guys can also join the Discord server. But the gaming channel's right here. I have not uploaded to it yet. I'm going to upload to it. I just gotta come up with some content that I actually need to upload. I do thank you guys for the support that I've been getting, even without me being on the channel and not being able to access it. It means a lot. And I still cannot get AdSense fixed, so if you guys could help me out, you can click the support the channel link, and it's going to bring you to a PayPal donation link. You guys obviously don't have to donate. This is my old email if you guys need to contact me. This email will be changed. I'm just going to wait until the 7 days pop up so I can delete the email. But if you guys want to help me out and donate so I can buy some new equipment, that would be very appreciative. It's not required. I'm still going to make content regardless of how much money I have. Even if I don't have a place to live, I'll find a way to make a YouTube video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the video. Ah, yes. Windows 7. I think we're gonna fuck it up. Oh ho ho ho, Internet Explorer? This brings back... Holy crap, it still works. Ask me later. Google.com. Does it give you, like, the old layout? Oh, it does. Memories. I think we're going to install a browser, though. Let's go to... Just download Mozilla. Can't fucking type. Yeah, that'll work. Mozilla. Sure. No, not HTTP. Yeah. Here we go. No, I don't want to download Microsoft Edge. That's not gonna work. Mozilla.org. Perfect. Oh my god, I can't even load it. I don't even think Windows 7... Wait, when did the Windows 7 support ended? On January 14th, 2020. So that didn't even end that long ago. Well, it actually ended pretty long ago, but... Alright then. So where's the download button? Desktop. Download Firefox. Is it going to pop up with that weird window? Oh, here it is. Run. Run. It's safe. I know it's safe. Let's go into exclusive mode so I don't have to deal with the frickin' thing up top. What do we even have on here? Wait, is Purple Place on here? What? Bro, it runs! Beginner. Is the sound... Dude, that sound brings back so many memories. What do we have to do? So we have to... I didn't play this at all. Yeah! What did we have to do here again? Oh, I think I remember this. Yeah! Dude, the music brings back so many memories. Look at that. We're doing so good. I'm just gonna take guesses. Look at that, man. We're doing so good. And here's the music. Yes. That is dope. I think this is where you create characters, right? Can you help me find a new look? Choose the eyes, mouth. You can turn off tips and options. Eyes. The mouth fits me perfectly. Okay, so it's not that. Let's try that, and then the eyes. Okay, so that's right. So now it's just the purple eyes. Nice. Search preview for Firefox. That sounds pretty good. How do I even install it? Do I just click it? Download now. Let's see how legit these files look like. Forgot how to use Mozilla. External download link. This seems safe. Continue to installation. Add. Okay, got it. Where is it? Where's my toolbar, man? Add-ons. Maybe we could add all of these. Let's do a purple... Yeah! Okay. Oh, I gotta update my drivers? Identify missing drivers? Let's do that. Windows 7 drivers. Oh, this looks freaking legit. Download time under 2 minutes. Let's test that theory. Save file. That was more than just 2 minutes. Yes. Welcome to the driver update setup wizard. I agree. Of course I want Slim Cleaner. That sounds like a legit software. The timestamp signature and/or certificate cannot be verified or is malformed. Oh, that sucks. Did it at least install anything? No, it didn't install anything. Did it? Nah. It's so hard to get viruses these days. Let's go back to that website. That website looked... Advanced search bar. This is for Internet Explorer, though. It's not going to work. Tool bars for Firefox. I spelled 4 wrong. Let's just go back into the archives, because this looks legit. Oh, here we go. SoftSonic. Great website. Yep. Download. Download. Yeah, let's get AVAS. Actually, I don't want AVAS, because then it's going to actually do stuff. Free download. Aww. 404. I did see something that looks super interesting, though. Grammarly. Some of these are actually legit, which sucks. There used to be so many ads on here that were not legit at all. From PDF to doc. I'm good. I wonder if it'll actually install... Oh, it's still an error? It says it's downloading. Wait, where's the arrow? Can I not have arrow effects? Oh, yeah. Yes. That runs like shit, but yes. Next. Download in progress. Installation in progress. I think we need a new wallpaper. I know the perfect wallpaper. Yes. Perfect wallpaper. We're saving it. Yes. What the fuck is this on top of here? Oh, I've seen this before. I've had to remove this from a couple computers before. And yes, I am doing this on purpose. Oh, now we got a fucking quick launch link. Play Solitaire. If this actually works. I'm sorry. People, whoever downloads this, I'm sorry. Oh, set as desktop background. Yeah. Wait a minute. Paint. Open. Downloads. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to zoom out. Oh, crap. I forgot. You have to resize. No. Select. Let's just grab this. And bloop. And bloop. And bloop. Let's just... Linus. CD tips. Okay, so now we can add that as our... I'm probably gonna get freaking copyrighted for this. Yes! Oh, I messed up right there. Credit report? That's legit. Oh, free movies. That's a great... Free people. What? Free movies. That's a great way to get viruses. There's a lot of websites that'll actually... Oh! Your software may be out of date. Oh, no! Why don't we do this? Best way to get Microsoft support. I gotta find the fake crap, though. Because it'll pop up and say they're Microsoft certified, but they're not. Here we go. This. Oh, yeah, I bet you are a Microsoft representative. Oh, let's chat. Oh, this is legit. Hello. Alice. Welcome to live support. My name is Alice. How may I help you today? I don't know. You don't even know how to spell protection. Even the frickin' search engine, either they created or whoever created this, spelt it better than they did. Oh, check your internet speed. Yeah. Continue.
Almost done.
Oh. Oh. Let's run it and see what it is. That's gonna get me every time, I'm telling you. Oh, it's installing. We gotta get the Butterfly Desktop exe file downloaded too. Where you be? Butterfly on desktop run. I love how it says a cancel button is disabled until the installation finishes. Well, what if I want to cancel it before the installation finishes? Block malicious downloads. Sure. Sure. Just download everything. What the fuck? Oh no. Is that DuckDuckGo? Okay, it's just web discovery. We got butterflies! Oh god, these things are gonna piss me off. Only freeware. No viruses, malware, or toolbars just for fun. Are you sure about that? I'm making the computer lag a little bit. Oh god. What are we at for usage? No! Ah, we're at 100%! I only gave it 1 core and 2 gigs of RAM. Ah, I gotta delete some of these. Where's my butterfly tool thingy? Close all butterflies. We're just gonna add 5. Total of 5. That's all we need. Oh, that voice. No, there's a reason for that. Ignore that. Close. I forgot you could actually do that. This isn't gonna go to any servers, because the servers are down. I'm sure you did. Well, it doesn't look like any of this is gonna work, so we're just gonna go over there. I can't fucking see anything. There's so many tabs open. These butterflies, I can't. Exit. Oh, so much cleaner. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Don't care if it's going to kill it. As long as it doesn't kill my... I have it on a secondary drive anyway. This is what Windows 7 is installed on. So if it destroys the drive, I can get another one. I really don't care. It's just a 750 gig Seagate drive anyway. Mems. Ah! Yes! Download file. Damn it! We got a link. We got a mega link. Maybe he updated it because the other one got taken down. Can we... Yeah. Yes! Here it is. The classic fucking files. Creator is not responsible for any damage made using still. Yeah, okay. Computer has been fucked with the MEMS virus. Trojan. Your Trojan will not boot up again, so use it as long as you can. Okay. Don't save. Let's just do stuff. What could I use? What could I do? Let's go to google.com. Let's just start typing. Let's just start type. Can't fucking spell. Oh! Oh! Can I download it? I mean, I already have this fucking fat fuck, but... Yeah. Sure. What do you just start... What did I just... No! You know, I'm kind of curious as to what's running in the background. So I know you can't close it, because it's really fucking smart. I just want to try to close it. Here we go. What if you try to end it? Oh, God! Oh. Computer will never boot up again, just so y'all know. Well, that's the MEMS Trojan for you. Just power her off and just give her a nice little remove. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.